Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cook a lovely prawn, and I'll be mixing this with some asparagus and some peppers and different vegetables. I'm just coming in, you know, it's a bit cold outside, so this is what I feel for. So this is my quick evening meal. It's about 9 o'clock in the evening, so I'm just going to season this with some all-purpose season and with a bit of paprika, Celtic salt, and I'll be adding some peppercorn to this. So go ahead and combine everything together. So I'll be using I'm going to julienne, using half an onion at the moment. Two cloves garlic. So I'm going to put in this 2 cloves fresh garlic, which help to enhance the flavor. It's also healthy. I'm using some asparagus. I'm cutting it this way because the top part sometimes a bit hard, and I'll be using a bit of red pepper. So go ahead and julienne these, or cut them in the shape you like. So over here I have my pot. I'm using some olive oil in this. So I'm starting off with the asparagus. I have some julienne carrots also. So go ahead, put in the rest of your vegetables. What I'm doing now, I'm just seasoning it a bit with a bit of Celtic salt. It's always good to keep just season your vegetable at start when cooking. Bit of black pepper over this. So at this point I'm going to add the prawn in the middle here. So just give it a bit of toast. I'm putting 2 dollops of butter just to enhance the flavor. So now this is almost ready. So I'm just going to let it sit a little bit. So here I have my pasta. I'll be using some fresh tagliatelle pasta with this. But you can use whatever pasta you want. I'm just adding a little bit of salt to this. This won't take long to cook anyway. Now our dish is ready, and it's time for me to plate it up. So I'm just going to put down the tagliatelle in the bowl, and then I'll be putting the prawns and vegetable over this. And this is very lovely and tasty. It's something you can try to cook for yourself, you know, or for some special occasion. And do please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have some Parmesan cheese, please feel free to put over it. Look at this. This is so lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.